up, bestie gang?
It's my best friend, it's friend. You should already know we're your best friend. Now come on, girl, let's hit the flow. It's my
Let me put my seatbelt on. Y'all, hi. I miss y'all. I know it's only been a week, but I miss y'all. So I'm wearing my well, today I am on the way to get tested for corona. I'm gonna do the rapid test so that I can get the answer sooner. I'm just getting tested because I've been doing quite a lot this month of January. It was my birthday, it was my mom's birthday, it was my sister's birthday, inauguration. It was just a lot going on. So I'm gonna go get tested today just to make sure I'm safe and just to be cautious or precautious. So I'll see y'all back once I get there. I'm gonna let y'all watch this whole thing, the whole thing. BRB bestie gang. Bestie gang, so I'm here. I'm just waiting in the car. I really don't know how this works, so I guess they call my phone or come up to the window. I don't know. But I'm gonna sit here for about 8 minutes before I start walking around and asking questions. And I am not wearing this mask because I'm infected or anything. I did a chemical peel, which I'm gonna tell y'all more about later. But if you don't know, it has my skin peeling, and I don't want to show y'all that. And if you do know, you know. Anywho, I will be back, bestie gang, once I see what's going on. Guys, I'm going in.
Alright, I need your forehead. I'm going to take your temperature, okay? That's good. Okay, 98.0. Okay, I'm going to give you a nasal swab. You're going to swab both of your nostrils, okay? 10 seconds, 10 seconds. Take it back about a half minute. Don't take it back too far when you're coughing and sneezing. That means you're going too much, alright?
Okay.
You need some mucus on you, alright?
Gotcha.
Bring your mask down just below your nose, but still cover your mouth, alright?
Yes,
So you're
ma'am.
done with this, get it right back to you.
So you do both sides with this one?
Both sides. Mm-hmm. There you go. Looking good.
Ooh.
Yeah, I know. What to do. You put that right in here for me. You can sit in your bed just about 20 minutes, okay?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
the practitioner from inside CVS is going to give you a call to bring it up, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Y'all, that wasn't that bad at all. It just feel weird. I'm glad I got to do it myself and nobody else had to do it to me. So I just sit in this car for 20 minutes and wait for results. wait for my negative results, because you know, yeah. Bestie gang, guys, I'm just sitting here and I got y'all on here. Now that I'm dropping every Thursday, I need more video ideas, ladies, gentlemen. Y'all need to be DMing me. If you don't already have me on Instagram, add me on Instagram. I'm taking this thing off my nose, y'all. Add me on Instagram and DM me what y'all want to see. I'm just turning my nose ring. DM me what y'all want to see. Like, give me ideas. Definitely prank ideas. Like, all that. I need all that. All that. Bestie gang. I'll be back. Bestie gang. Bestie gang. My test came out negative. Negative. Y'all want to see? Hold on. See that? Negative. A little blurry, but you see it. You see it. I know you see me. All right. So I get to go back to school tomorrow. Y'all. Bestie gang. That's really all I wanted to show you guys for this week until y'all give me more video ideas, guys. Okay? Thank you. Now, can I get 20 likes on this video? Can I get 20 likes on this video? If you are new to the Bestie gang, please hit that subscribe button and join us. Join the gang. We need you here on the road to 2K. Yo, keep it glam and keep your mask on. All right.